What up, everybody? If you guys are wondering why we're showing you this beautiful Lamborghini STO, it's because we're about to do a full clear wrap on this bad boy. This is a gorgeous car, and it's a tough car to do. As you guys can tell, this car comes with so many curves, accessories, pieces, so they bring it to the best auto sports because they know that the clear wrap is gonna come out great, and they're not gonna see all those lines and bubbles all over the place.
All right, so we got this white Durango SRT. This is the one that was on the lift the other day. So we finally got it off the lift. We replaced all the suspension components. As you can see, you can come in here. All the stuff was brand new. This is just a different angle of it. You got the axle, the spindle, tie rods. Everything has been replaced on this. I don't know if you guys remember back here how all of this wheel housing was crushed in. All that stuff has been ironed out. It's been straightened out. Been sitting on this frame machine for quite a few days. We've been torching it, pulling it, torching it, pulling it, getting it back to where it belongs. Right now we're just getting it ready for paint, and hopefully we'll get this thing back on the road soon. Just want to bring you guys over and show you an example of horrendous work, of bad work. This is what some other shops out there are doing. I'm pretty sure they were supposed to replace this quarter panel, but instead they filled it in with body filler. I want you to come and see how thick this body filler is. Like, we're literally chiseling it off. We started over here. This is the metal underneath that's rusting because it wasn't properly fixed, it wasn't properly sealed, so you got rusting from within, from underneath the work that they did. Instead of them cutting it out like, you know, we're doing with this panel and that panel, they just took it and filled it in with body filler and painted it. Looked good on the outside, but this is what's happening underneath.
All my people there back in the spot, let them shot. Yeah. I want the top. All my people right there in the back of the spot, I need the top.
If you guys are wondering why this GTR is on the lift, we're actually doing a flame tune, we're doing exhaust, we're doing downpipes, we're doing everything you could think of. This is gonna be a super fast car, it already is, but it's gonna be extra fast. It's gonna be spitting flames. We're gonna do a clear barrel protection, because you know these cars are prone to get rock chips, especially going at high speeds. We're gonna do starlight headliner and many, many other things. And you guys are gonna see this bad boy spitting some flames very soon. So this S580 just pulled up. The gentleman wanted some Forgiatos. He called a few months back, so he finally came to pay us a visit. He was looking for a specific style. He wanted to order it. I told him the wait time, that it takes 4 to 8 weeks for it to come. And I showed him the endless amount of rims that we had here. When he saw them, he went crazy. So he was able to get a set of Forgiatos, same day service. We actually got them here now. We brung them down for him. 3-piece, 21-inch Forgiato. Brush machine with the chrome lid. There you go. And he's gonna get them done right now. These wheels, everybody wants them. They're very high end. We got so many different selections. This gentleman found one that he loved, and he's gonna get it same day, and he's gonna get it at a better price. So you win all around. You don't gotta wait and you're gonna get a better price. So come check us out. All right, we're currently working on this gorgeous S63. If you guys take a look here, we just did these 21-inch chrome wheels with some nice Pirelli tires. We're working on the chrome delete. We're not gonna eliminate all the chrome because we obviously did chrome wheels. We're gonna do around the windows and we're doing some stuff on the grille as we speak. This car is beautiful, but it has also other flaws. It has all this right here, the swirly virus, we call it. We're gonna take care of that. This car is gonna get a gold package ceramic pro, and it's gonna shine the way it's supposed to shine, and it's gonna pop with the chrome wheels. In addition, we did a Rentec R1 package, which comes with a performance tune, air filters, and a diverter valve. This Rentec R1 package will complement the already powerful V8 bi-turbo and take it to a whole nother level.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking up, cooking the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, dot. Cooking up, open the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, quick the trigger. All up the gang and they come and get gang. I mean, you never give you a shit. Bad and bullshit, cooking up with a booze. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rocks too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, cooking up with a booze. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got cutters and 100 rocks too. Oh shit.
All right, guys, so we have this BMW 650 all gutted out for good reasons though. We're actually doing the full upholstery on this car. As you can see, the door panels are out, the seats are out, the console, wheel, and dashboard. They were factory in an all black leather finish. Now it's gonna be an all white diamond finish. So guys, we do lovely interior work, and this is the work that entails. All right, small correction, guys. The seats weren't black. I don't know why I said black. The original seats were brown. This is gone. White diamond, guys, all white. This is pure white, snow white. This is top of the line stuff right here. We're taking care of this BMW. Bruno, we have this beautiful Chevy Corvette. You're doing something right now. What are you doing to this car?
That's a installation of music.
Music?
Yeah, the music.
What are you putting?
They put it on the back. Put it on 2 amplifiers, 4 speakers, and 2 tweeters.
Wow.
And all radio. The guy, I like it.
The factory radio. He's gonna keep the factory radio, but we're gonna put an EQ, which is okay. Yeah, so it'll sound just as good, even with the factory radio. Yeah, Bruno's taking care of the system, guys. At the moment, this vehicle, as you can see, his front seats are totally damaged, bad condition. These seats are gonna be removed. They're gonna be redone in the same factory color and the same stitching, same pattern. Everything is gonna look identical, but obviously it's gonna be brand new. We're also gonna do a gold package ceramic because this is a beautiful Corvette. It just gotta come back to life. So we're gonna do the ceramic, we're gonna do the upholstery, and we're doing a sound system on this bad boy. I got the 2 big boy trucks. First, we got the Chevy Silverado, and we got the Dodge Ram Rebel. This is for something quick. This gentleman came in with a set of tire letters. We brought him in right away. We're gonna get that service done. It's not an easy service to do, but we're getting it done for him. And you guys are gonna see how this truck looks with tire letters if anybody's interested. Because most people put them on like the smaller sport cars, but it's gonna actually come out really nice. Now this one, as you guys can see, is fully apart. Bumper, headlights, everything. He's taken off the headliner. So this is gonna get a full car wrap. We're gonna do a 3M 2080 matte black wrap on this car, and he wants a full D badge. He doesn't want none of these emblems back on. It's gonna be stealth matte black, and it's gonna match all these factory moldings. So it's gonna look real aggressive. It's gonna look nice when it's coming up behind you on that highway. All right, so this client here, I just wanna share this with you guys. He's from Ireland. He said he's been watching us on Instagram, YouTube, and he saw that we're Palestinian, and he's seen our support for Palestine. And he said, you know what, in our community, all of us, we rep for you guys. We're praying for a free Palestine. We even come out for you guys. And he wasn't joking. This gentleman even got free Palestine decals in his car. It's bigger than business sometimes. It's bigger than cars. This is what it's about. It's about freedom. It's about love and unity. Shout out to all my people from Ireland.